morning people. So we are in day 4 of drydock. Today they are taking our lifeboats for load test and they have started connecting our lifeboat to cranes. So they are connecting this crane and the crane will pick our lifeboat. So this is the connection of lifeboat from crane. Okay, so now they are removing the port side lifeboat and they will take it on the starboard side jetty. Lifeboat is connected to the crane on top with a chain lashing and now they are taking it up. We have removed the lashing there. After we remove the lashing, we put that chain lashing on forward and aft, and then they are moving the lifeboat away from ship and then they will take it on top of ship and put it on the starboard side of the jetty. They are doing grit blasting. If you can see this is all grit and they are blasting on the ship side, so everything is covered. Because of grit blasting I am covering everything because this grit particles are very minute, can go inside the nose and mouth, so better to cover everything. These are the forced ventilation and all this air is going inside the spaces. So wherever the enclosed space is there, this forced ventilation is going inside that space so that we can enter there. This is the tank dome and ventilation is also going on inside the. Yes, right. Illumination is also done. Tank number 2 this is. And inside 4 big tanks. Their blasting is completed. Now they have started putting the primer coat there. By the end of today's day, I guess they will finish the primer and tomorrow they will complete the final coat. So all the hull will be painted completely. So now they have started drying up. So now I am going down to take the photographs so that I can make the report and we'll see from down what the progress is. This is their cherry picker. So I am at the bottom of the 4-port ballast tanks and this is the bell mouth of the ballast tank. So they have opened it, they have some repairs going on here in the dry dock, and this is the place from where the suction takes place in the tank. So when we are deballasting, the water goes out from here and water comes out also from here. So this is the bell mouth of ballast tanks and these are all the stringers. I'll show you the heights. So it goes like this all the way till forward. I am at the aft. So this bell mouth is at the aft at the bottom. So if I go forward, I have to go all the way there and I have to inspect the ballast tanks. But I am not here to inspect the ballast tank right now. I just wanted to check the bell mouth they are working on and then now I am going on. These are the ladders from which I have to climb the ballast tank all the way on top. So this looks like this. These are the stairs going on top. It must be dark, you cannot see, but this is how the ballast tank is. So now I am going on top. So these guys, they are washing our Anchorage chain with the high pressure hose, high pressure water. The job is going on. Painting job is not finished yet. It was supposed to finish at night time, but because of rain they stopped the work and today also it's drizzling. So let's see if they do the job. Depends on the weather now completely. So now lots of jobs are due for today. I went to opening meeting today with all the crew of the yard with the different project managers. I am on the topmost platform of the engine room and they are doing the units. They have already done these ones. They have already taken out and then they will do our is our main engine and this is our exhaust. So now I have taken this GoPro and I am taking this on top in my cabin and I will put it tomorrow again.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air.